Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kalur Krishnayar from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 1st November 2025. Aipashimasam 15th, Saturday, Vishwavasunama Sambalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadardau, Aipashimasam, that is Tula Masam, Shukla Baksham, Tithi, tomorrow morning, 3:19 a.m., Ekadashi, then Dwadashi. Today, Sthiravasaram, Saturday, Nakshatram up to 2:49 p.m., Chadayan Nakshatram, then Pururutadi. Today's Rahugalam, 9 to 10:30 a.m., Yamakandam, 1:30 to 3 p.m., Guliyagalam, 6 to 7:30 a.m., Good time, 7 to 8 a.m. and 11 to 12 p.m., Sunrise, 6:08 a.m., Chandrashtamam for Kadagarashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Kurd, Shraddhatadi Ekadashi, today Ekadashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha.